Have you ever felt frustrated when people are trying to understand your English? Hi everyone! Welcome to a new episode of BoAi's Slow English. Today, I want to help you master American English pronunciation. Have you ever felt frustrated when people struggle to understand your English? It's probably not what you're saying, but how you're saying it. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some tips and tricks to master American English pronunciation. By the end of this video, you'll be speaking more clearly and confidently. Let's get started. Pronunciation can be the biggest barrier to communication, even if your vocabulary is great. Mispronounced words can confuse your listeners, while clear pronunciation makes you sound more professional and fluent. Today, we'll focus on 3 key aspects of American English pronunciation: stress, intonation, and vowel sounds. If you can nail these, you're already ahead of the game. In American English, word stress is essential. Each word has one syllable that's louder and longer than others. For example, take the word banana. We stress the second syllable, banana. Practicing stress helps make your speech flow more naturally. Let's try a few examples together. Computer, computer. Photograph, photograph. Practice these in sentences like, I need to buy a new computer. Notice how natural it sounds when the stress is right? Next, let's talk about intonation, or the rise and fall of your voice. In American English, we often raise our pitch at the end of a question. Do you want to go? Do you want to go? But in a statement, the pitch falls. I want to go. I want to go. Listen to native speakers and try to mimic their rhythm. The more you practice intonation, the more natural your speech will sound. Let's try a quick exercise together. Repeat after me and pay attention to how the pitch changes. I'm going to the store. Notice how my voice goes down at the end of the sentence. I'm going to the store. Are you going to the store? My voice goes up at the end because it's a question. Are you going to the store? Let's try a few more. She likes coffee. He's reading a book. Do you like coffee? Is he reading a book? Now let's switch between statements and questions. Are you coming tomorrow? Yes, I'm coming tomorrow. Let's try one more. It's raining outside. Is it raining outside? Keep practicing this. Try to mimic the pitch and the rhythm. You'll get it. Now let's talk about vowels. American English has several vowel sounds that can be very tricky. For example, the short A in cat versus the long A in cake. Practice hearing the difference. Vowel sounds can vary depending on the word, but mastering them will help with clarity. Repeat after me. Bit versus beat. Caught versus caught. These subtle differences will make a huge impact on how well people understand you. By mastering stress, intonation, and vowel sounds, you're taking big steps to perfecting your American English pronunciation. But remember, the key to improvement is practice. Watch this video again, try to speak with native speakers, and keep pushing yourself to improve. Don't get discouraged. This takes time. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what part of pronunciation is the most challenging for you, and I'd be happy to make a new video just for you. Thank you. Bye.